Was the day trial watchers in the Jimmy Dimora case have been waiting for. Former Cuyahoga County Auditor Frank Russo took the stand to testify against the man he says was his partner in crime. News Channel 5's John Kosick joins us now. And John, Russo was telling all.
Yeah, Chris, a peek behind the curtain. Part of the deal Russo struck as part of his agreement on the guilty plea on corruption charges. Russo admitted he broke the law, and on the stand he made it clear he wasn't alone. For 7 hours in federal court, Frank Russo told the inside story of how things got done and pockets got lined in the hidden world of county government he shared with former Commissioner Jimmy Dimora. It was, prosecutors say, a criminal enterprise where cash, alcohol, prostitutes, and food were traded for political favors, contracts, and jobs. When we were together, we were a powerhouse. We were intimidating, Russo said in his testimony, citing example after example of how favors were bought and sold. The most common way to win favor was by sponsoring dinners, casino trips, or prostitutes. Russo explained a sponsor is basically someone who was going to pay the bill. Sponsors would then get special attention. When it came to Dimora, Russo was heard on a wiretap play today in court saying he will do anything for food. But Dimora's pride and joy, Russo testified, was his pool and backyard, which prosecutors say contractors did thousands of dollars of free work on in exchange for county contracts. Jimmy loved his backyard. It was his hobby, Russo testified. It was the favorite thing in his life. Well, Russo is still to be sentenced in connection with his guilty plea. He faces more than 20 years in prison. Frank Russo returns to the stand tomorrow morning. On your side, John Kosick, News Channel 5.